Best Software Training Institute in Chennai. Aimore Technologies. Chennai. Achieve your IT career goals with software training and placement. Advantages of Aimore Technologies for software training. Industry-driven curriculum. Alignment with dynamic industry demands through courses curated by seasoned IT professionals. Practical learning emphasis. Application of real-world skills is ensured through a project-centric approach. Hands-on. Continual placement assistance. Interview preparation. Resume refinement. And job placement guidance supported by dedicated assistants. Key features of enhanced training approach. Flexibility. Tailored schedules accommodating learners' work and life commitments for seamless participation. Affordability. High-quality training delivered at competitive rates, ensuring accessibility for all aspiring IT professionals. Expert guidance. Seasoned instructors with extensive industry experience providing comprehensive skill development. Navigating the IT career landscape with enhanced skills, real-world exposure, live project engagement, simulating actual industry scenarios for enhanced readiness. Soft skills cultivation, fostering teamwork, effective communication, and efficient issue resolution for holistic professional development. Maintaining relevance in the dynamic IT industry. Trend awareness. Competitive market players prioritize staying abreast of emerging technologies like AI, cloud computing, and IoT. Ongoing learning. A commitment to success is evident through continuous adaptation and skill enhancement to evolving industry trends. Future-ready skills. Long-term career success is attainable through mastery of in-demand languages like C++, Java, and Python, along with proficiency in cloud computing. Your path to success. Empowered by commitment, holistic development, comprehensive skill acquisition and application, fostering confidence and competence in IT professionals. Industry recognition. The premier training institutes. Reputation ensures recognition and credibility in the job market. Secure your future. Join a technology training institute for industry-focused training and robust placement support, paving the way for a rewarding IT career journey.